Welcome to our trail adventure at the Clear Springs Ranch for the appreciation ride for volunteering at Jeeping with Judd. This is real people driving real Jeeps with real dialogue. No AI stuff going on here. But we're about to join a group, which is right in front of us, and pull right out into the pack and go for some Jeep rides. Now we're wheeling. Hey, you ever wonder why we have bloopers and stuff? It's because everything that we pretty much say is extemporaneous. That's a big word, but it's a good description of something that's spur of the moment, unpracticed, unscripted, and we shoot from the cuff. Yep. And so it's real, but we're who we are. Yes. And if you ever get the chance to meet us, stop us and say hello. We're gonna be at Jeep Beach. Gonna be parking in Club Row and around the Bend area on Saturday. When?
Saturday, only
Saturday. But right now we got cows. This is Blind Man's Hill.
There you go. A little bit more way.
How's that feel?
Great.
That's correct.
I can't see what I'm doing. There's a freaking water on my feet.
This hill is kind of stubborn for some people to get up and over. Ouch. I don't know what that was.
That didn't sound cheap.
Lexi.
Hey, Vice Grip Garage. I don't think you're gonna get this one started. Well, that's it for today. We have finished riding some trails. We're with John from Adventures Great and Small. See the QR code right down there?
Right down there.
See the QR code right there? See the QR code right there? See the QR code right there? For a link to his site, go subscribe. And thank you guys for joining us. This has been a trail ride out at Clear Springs Ranch. It's been a appreciation ride for those people that volunteered for Jeeping with Judd. If you would like to volunteer for Jeeping with Judd, become a member of the Orlando Jeep Club, and you can volunteer your time. And then there are times during the year that you can actually come out to the ranch and ride. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you're planning on coming to Judd next year, let us know. Well, hey, we'll see you at Jeep Beach on Saturday. We'll be in the vendor area. See ya. So we stopped at a restaurant on the way home, and on Randy's recommendation had really good reviews. It's a Venezuelan restaurant named right there, and let me say, this place does not disappoint. The sandwich hamburger thing that I had was so incredible. The dessert, the fruit drinks, everything, definitely. It's in Dundee, so after you finish jeeping out of the ranch, we're going to Jeeping with Judd. Come on down here.
El Valenciano.
It's called
El Valenciano.
El
Valenciano.
El Valenciano. Well, you know we jeep, we eat. And that was monstrous hamburger. There was hamburger, there was pork, there was ham.
Chicken.
There was chicken, there was egg, there was cheese.
Bacon.
There was those little potato chip things that are like little teeny French fries.
Yeah.
There was cheese, there was bacon. That was a big sandwich. Then there was some French fries. Then they made us dessert. These little cheese sticks from Venezuela. Incredibly good service. Very clean bathrooms, locally owned. So if you're driving by Dundee on 27 and you're looking for a good experience, go check that place out.
208 Main Street.
208 Main Street. Well, that's our bonus material. Thanks. We'll see you on the next ride.